Unveiling the secrets of kitchen hacks. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and enlightening. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of kitchen hacks. These clever tricks can save you time, reduce waste, and make cooking a breeze. So, let's get started and master some useful English phrases along the way. Kitchen hacks are clever solutions to common kitchen problems. They are about finding simple, innovative ways to use everyday items or ingredients to make cooking and cleaning up more efficient. A kitchen hack could be as easy as using a spoon to peel ginger or finding a new way to store your pots and pans. They're all about making life in the kitchen easier. Learning about kitchen hacks is more than just about saving time. It's about being resourceful and creative with what you have. For English learners, it's also a fantastic opportunity to learn practical vocabulary and phrases that are used in everyday life. Plus, you might just impress your friends and family with your newfound kitchen prowess. Let's explore some popular kitchen hacks and the English phrases associated with them. 1. Using dental floss to cut soft cheeses or cakes. This shows how we can use an item for a purpose other than what it was originally intended for. 2. Turning a toaster on its side to make grilled cheese. A perfect example of innovative thinking to create a delicious snack. 3. Placing a wooden spoon over a pot to prevent boiling over. A simple yet effective trick to keep your stovetop clean. Understanding and using the right phrases is key when discussing kitchen hacks. Here are some phrases to get you started. A neat trick to introducing a hack. A smart way to another way to introduce a hack. Save time by explaining the benefit of a hack. Reduce waste by highlighting the eco-friendly aspect of a hack. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these kitchen hacks not only make your time in the kitchen more efficient but also enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, learning can happen anywhere, even in the kitchen. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy cooking!